For the planche lean, you're going to need to make sure that your wrists are thoroughly warmed up before you do this exercise. This is a great way to find how to protract your shoulders it's kind of the preparation for a lot of other exercises. But it's really good for developing the straight arm bicep strength and also core strength in the plank kind of position. So the beginner version of this exercise is going to be on your knees, and you're going to have your hands so that your hands are turned out from, instead of being these fingers parallel, you're going to be thumbs parallel. So slightly externally rotated. Then you're going to make sure when you're doing the exercise that you're really protracting, so pushing your shoulders forwards so that you can feel tension on the bicep. So beginner version is going to be like so. So you're going to be on your knees and then lean forward. So first of all, protract the shoulders, pushing them away from you in a forward direction. Then you're going to lean forwards as far as you're comfortable. Then come back. So you want to hold your position out in this forward position for about 5 seconds before coming back. Now, if you're feeling a little stronger, you might be able to go up onto your toes and then protract the shoulders and lean as far forwards as you feel comfortable. Always making sure you're pushing your shoulders forward so that you feel it's kind of like a stretch on your biceps. In the core, you want to make sure that your hips are posteriorly rotated, so not like this, and so in this position, you're going from here, you want to tuck the pelvis under, you want to protract the shoulder, feel the stretch in the bicep, then lean as far forwards as you can. Then come back and repeat. You see that roundness in behind my shoulders? That's what you're shooting for. If your shoulders collapse, then you've gone too hard for yourself and you want to regress a little bit. So maybe go back onto your knees, bring your knees closer to your hands, and take the easy route for this one. Yeah, it's potentially a new way of putting stress into your bicep. So ease into it, take caution, but over time you can build into some fantastic strength with this one.